Hey guys, welcome back to Sherubin's activity. Actually, it's day number 6 of doing our calligraphy practice for a week, and today we're gonna be writing fantasy like this. It's like I gave a doodle like a blue ladybug. So I hope you'll try it out and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's get started. So the next line, so again these two measure 2 centimeters in width. So when we wrote best friends, we curled the F. So maybe this time we're gonna write it straight, like this. So I put on a straight line. You can also align the line, make it straight with a ruler, like this. Now the top, so start it a little lower. Go like that. Oh wait, too far. So you see again, I put it like this, a curve from the starting and took it further away and curled it up here. Now I put a straight line around here. Yes. Now letter A, so you put an oval. After putting the oval, you know what you do. You put down this straight line and curl it up. You know what they call it, tail stroke. I hope you remember that I told that in my previous video. Now for letter N, put on a straight line that is not a head stroke. And make a little wave. Don't make it sharp here. It looks a bit sharp, but no, it isn't sharp. Of course, the next letter is T. So you start it a little close to the alignment. What did I say right now? Make sure your T is aligning to the F once again. The letters, the loops cannot go below the line. That is why we're drawing the line. Okay, here's a tip. I haven't said this before, but don't grip your pencil too hard or your hand is gonna shake like mine. Grip it a little lighter and give it a little press if you're confident with the shape and the size of the letters. Also, if you grip it too hard, you're gonna get hand pains. Thumb cramps mostly. There it is. Well, you know what we do next. We will put this T's curve, the beautiful curve, the highlight of this whole thing. We'll put that in the end because, it needs space. So once again, it's letter A. So it's an oval and a tail stroke. Don't forget this. Note these 2 words down. Every word begins with a head stroke and a tail stroke. Now letter S, you go on top and bring it down below. Make a curve and bring it on top. That's it. And letter Y. Y. Yes, that's not right. So you take it. So here's my Y. So I bring it down, not too far. I bring it down, like, you know what this is called? It's called flourishing. We do that to our letters, like G and so on. And do not end it too sharp, like you can curl it up, like this. Here it is. Hope you didn't forget one simple thing, the T top. So you know what to do. Wait, let's curl them down. Beautiful. So you might have noticed I have slightly erased the letters because I'm gonna use my art marker, a light blue, a cerulean blue color to to give on the outline. So I've told you before that my markers clearly show the pencil lines. So I just erased it. So I give on the outline. Oh yeah. Now we do the fog calligraphy with the pencil first. So I put in a straight line. So I do it lightly. Here and one here and one here too. Oh wait, that is too thick. Thick, thick, thick. Yeah, that is it. Yes, one here and one over here. I'm sorry if you can't see my fog calligraphy. So it's like this, and here we went up and like this. So for the Y, you put it like this. I also fill in the insides with this broad marker. This broad marker is attached to my fine tipped marker. So I'll just do it as quick as I can. I think that is too big for this fog calligraphy. I think I'll do this. That is perfect. And we always write it plain and without adding any different, side motions. So today we're gonna do this like a curve, you'll see. Just go like this, and that's it. You can also write down like the fog calligraphy by bringing it like this. That's it. So easy. So we can just fill this with wait a minute. We have to erase this because my art markers show the pencil lines. Yeah, we're ready. This looks so nice, doesn't it? Now, I asked you to take the black pen, but why? We already gave this outline. Well, it's very plain, so we're gonna give it a few spots. So, it's gonna be like a blue ladybug. Imagine that. Very peculiar. So some dots are small, some dots are really big, some dots are like normal size. This looks fantastic, but it's still missing something. Some extra elements can be added. So we'll add a shine element, one in here, and one in here. Okay, I'm gonna fill it with black. and I add a rainbow in here. I take some rainbow colors out. I'm looking for some rainbow colors. The colors I've taken are, what's this? Deep violet, cerulean blue, vivid green, lemon yellow, orange, carmine instead of red, and that's it. So I've skipped indigo because it's too dark in between these beautiful light colors. That looks extra beautiful. So guys, now that we've seen how to write fantasy in calligraphy, well, I'll meet you in tomorrow's tutorial. Until then, bye!